Dr. Yelena Eustache. My passion is people. I love connecting with people. I love making people laugh. I love inspiring people. I always, when I'm on the radio, I always put my audience first. So my passion is just, connecting with people and just being a true artist. And obviously, being in the industry. I just love this business. And if it's not hosting, if it's not acting, if it's not being on the radio, if it's not interviewing celebrities, or if it's not making music. But my passion too is rapping. I love rapping. I feel like I should rap something for you guys. So the name Shetty T, I've known to spit it correct. I pop it fresh with Ciroc and watch it squat project. We got the game up on the stage and we just living it make. Cause I can never feel ashamed with baby C on the team. Collect 100 mil, skip the trip to Beverly Hills. I mix the liquor with some potion and we're driving them ill. The game I told them once I had to meet me out front. But now I'm guessing what approach got me vibe with a ghost. And I can feel the pain the most when I'm alone in the coast. So I'ma turn up in New York and change the vibe with the folks. Take a trip to California, coast and coast and beyond. Plus a sequel for the people, yeah, we're keeping it strong. I gotta honest hate to send him through the equator. Cause I can taste him now or later, keep his mind on me later. Put the cookie on the stable, now he feeling unstable. Guess he couldn't understand that Jenny T doing major. What? Yeah.